Okay, you guys, starting the vlog off at Chuck E. Cheese with my niece and nephews.
Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
Y'all, finally back in the house. About to cook dinner. Gonna cook some fried fish, green beans, and some potatoes.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be alone. You tugging more and more. I just can't get empathy, so I crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. 'Cause if you ever wanna dress down.
Okay, y'all. It is 10:01 p.m. and I am cleaning up and about to do the setup on the couch and just watching some YouTube. So yeah, tomorrow I have to, what's on the agenda for tomorrow? Tomorrow on the agenda, I got annoying blades here. Oh. Let's clean up. Okay, so we're gonna do a little fall decorations. Honestly, y'all, it's only one thing. It's just let me go ahead and set y'all up so y'all can just see what I'm doing in here. Oh, this light is not going on. No. Where he at? Or why it's not working? Trying to see, like, how are y'all gonna be able to see? So I got these two pillows from Hobby Lobby and it was 50% off. And originally they are $25.99. Those will go in the middle. As you can see, the black is right there. Blend in. So maybe, I know y'all probably like, why would you get black on black? Because that's what he likes. So to bring it out, I saw they had a checker. Hobby Lobby had a checker pillow, But I was like, I think that's doing too much. Because the color scheme in here is black, white, and gold with the natural color wood. But I think this would be cute. It would do. Just need that pop to bring it out. When I'm thinking like a solid white pillow, decorative pillow or something. Definitely need some more pillows because if I'm doing it in the corner, it's like so empty here in the middle. I have to put y'all back over here for a minute because I don't have nothing to hold y'all up on. So nothing too crazy going on over here, but this is, let me show y'all. So this is what it's looking like right now, and got the little throw blanket right here. I also want to incorporate the orange one, so I'm gonna get the orange one and put that in here as well. As you can see, this big opening spot, I really don't like it. Let me see something. Let me see. Now that's much better, and I can add a decorative pillow in the middle, but of course I'm gonna fix that up. A fall pillow in the middle, and yeah. So the centerpiece of the table here. This is what it's looking like. This vase came from Burlington, as well as this tray. This candle came from, not Home Goods, but Hobby Lobby. Smells so freaking good. And like I said, this this leaf plant came from my mother's shed. So don't know exactly where that came from, but yeah, I found it in her shed, and that's that. And I'm just watching some YouTube. Okay.
They're just like a little bag that smells really good when you open it and you put it somewhere in your house and
Okay, and this is my meat that I went with. Got this from Costco's, and this was $40. And it's the fresh pack New York beef steak. So I'm using the good beef to make this, and I'm going to be using Kobe Jack. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like. And then I'm going to add some garlic butter, and I got this from Costco's, I believe. As you can see, I took a bite. It is so good already, y'all. So good. Y'all have to try this. I just say go and make these, okay? Fresh steak and cheese croissant rolls, okay? Bussin'.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Might have been a few hours.
Good morning, happy Sunday. It is 12:10 noon. Yeah, I just left at the house only because I had to get gas. Literally, that's it. I just had to get gas and get some paper towels and napkins for the house. Gas is $2.67 up the gallon. It needs to continue to go down. Seriously. It goes down, it goes up. But yeah, so today on the agenda, nothing much. Y'all cooked breakfast. I should have showed y'all that. I made some steak, eggs, French toast, and sausage. And I had some applesauce to go with it. But yeah, so did that. And I just have my hair molded down, so when I put on a wig, but it's also molded down when I don't want to wear my wig like right now. I could just get up and go like this. But I do plan on getting some braids, or you just go ahead and get a wig installed. Maybe that truck is really big. So I'm gonna do the same, because like, why you got that big old gap and y'all just sitting here and letting people go? I want to get a sew-in done, or probably just a wig installed for 2 weeks, but wigs don't be lasting. I don't know, y'all. I don't know my next hairstyle. But yeah, so today on the agenda, I'm cleaning the house right now, so that's why I had to come out the house. I was like, let me just get gas since I gotta be to work tomorrow at 6 a.m. Get gas now and get some cleaning stuff. I'm going home, finish cleaning. I have this video that you guys watching right now. I have to edit this video.
But I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what nothing used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, but it's necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Yesterday, but it's gonna get posted when I post it, okay? At least I'm vlogging. I am on my way to go get my hair done. I just washed and blow dried it. I am going to get the bob braids. I don't know about the boho, just the curly ends. I might do the boho, who knows? But this will be my first time getting this style. I didn't feel like doing it myself. Like, I want clean, crisp parts, these braids are going to last, okay? So, on my way to get my hair done. I got my stuff to crochet. Okay, y'all, so this is the before. And then we're going to get into the after. How y'all let me forget to record last night, the finish touch? I guess because I was tired. But this is what it's looking like. Very cute, very clean, neat. I love it so much. I told her I wanted 4 blonde pieces, but she only did 2. It's cool. It is still fairly long, but I can always cut it myself, and I might just chop it down to like right here. But they are so freaking cute and clean and crisp. Like, I love them so much. Just wait until I actually like get dolled up, put some clothes on. The parts, that's why I didn't do my own hair, y'all, because I wanted the parts to be super clean. I just wanted to be pampered, okay? It's good once in a while. But I was thinking about putting my locks over these, and I still might, but it's a lot. But I'm not doing like soft locks. I would do my natural locks. So just get some human hair or the regular one, which I might just do the regular one because I don't know how long. If I do decide to do that on top of this. But anywho, let's just talk about what's going on right now in my head. Like, it's so cute. It's so cute. And I already had this look out. That's why I really wanted 4. But it's still fine. With some red lips, all black outfit. It's gonna eat. Okay, y'all. So I'm off of work. Came home, showered. I'm about to do my nails. I just don't know what I want to do, okay? I wasn't trying to go for long nails currently right now. So I have these white nails here. These are by Kiss. I have these cute ombre pink nails. I have these white tip nails, whatever, in front of that store. Beautiful. These are also by Kiss. And I have these from the dollar store. So cute. I know I'm saving these for girls brunch. Perfect for the fall, right? And then I have these beautiful babies right here. So I'm kind of torn between these and these. I don't know which one I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do my nails.